Hi everybody, I'm Mark Tilley from Dirtbike Magazine. Today we're out here at Paris Raceway for the intro of the 2014 RMZ450. For 2014, the RMZ450 is relatively unchanged. With minor refinements to the mapping, minor changes is not necessarily a bad thing. The RMZ450 fared very well in our 450 shootout in 2013. The Suzuki has a proven track record and is well liked by most test riders and racers. To see how it stacks up against all the other 450s, look at the December issue of Dirtbike Magazine.